Hey guys. Starving. My stomach hurt. Oh my god, my stomach is hurting. But happy. What's today? What's today? Friday. Today's Friday. Happy Friday to you guys. So, let me explain how systems work. Right. The government has a system, right, and people go to work. Right, and people continue to go to work, and the government has a system where they take money, from you every time that you do work. So it's a system in place. So no one's manually doing this. I want you guys to get this, right? This is not something that's manual. It's not a manual thing. Systems is not manual. Systems is automated. Systems is all about automation. Okay? System is all about automation. Okay? So, in business, you have to understand how to automate your business. I meet a lot of self-employed people. I meet a lot of people who are self-employed, and they trade hours for dollars. Just met a lady, and she's a seamstress. She loves it. She loves, doing clothes. But she has to keep trading hours for dollars. She do not have a system in place. See, systems work, people don't, okay? The government has a system in place. So when you work, your money automatically comes out of your paycheck. The government's not taking each person that's working money out. No, it's a system. So when people join me in my program, so how am I able to do all these videos from my phone in my car every day? I have systems working. All I got to make sure is that my system is set up right. So when people do join, they get to go through the system, baby. Okay? They get to go through the doggone system. Okay? So my systems are set up when people join me. They go through the system. They get content. They get information. They get education. They get to watch me. They get to follow me. Right? And then they make a decision. See, everybody that joins me, guys, I don't talk to them. Maybe one or two people I'll maybe talk to. Maybe if they want to spend $1,500, I'll talk to them. Or, maybe if they want to spend $750 or $3,000, I'll talk to them. But the majority of the people, guys, that I serve or service, I never talk to them. I don't talk to them. The government, you talk to the government when they're taking your money out your account or your money out your paycheck? No. Right? Because it's a system that works. The system is in place. Right? So all I have to do is just make sure my lead is flowing, my traffic is running, my ClickFunnels is set up, my system is set up. So when someone joins me in doing my How to Make Money from Home class or course, they pay and they get an email on how to log in. I'm not sending them that stuff. My system is set up. When someone joins me, Amazon, pay me $1,500 or pay me $750. Guess what? My emails sends them everything. It's already automated. Right? I'll never be broke another day in my life. Okay? So you got to understand how systems work, guys. Everyone can set their own system up. So this is why I teach you in my How to Make Money class. So my How to Make Money class, I show you how to start running ads, how to leverage Instagram, how to set up your system. So it's 97 once and 97 a month to learn how to literally promote a free book or advertise or market a free book and make up to $1,000 per sale. I show you how to systematize your business. I'm systematizing my brain cells. You just got to know how to do it. And I tell people, you want to find the expert. You want to find someone that is doing this so that you can just pay them so they can just show you. Because you can try to figure this out on your own. And guess what? You're going to get this far. But when you have an expert showing you and you take the knowledge and you apply the knowledge, your success rate jumps up to 50%. Because if you try to do it by yourself, your success rate is probably 10%. But if you hire someone, put money behind your venture or money behind what you want to do, your success rate jumps up to like 50%, right? So you gotta understand, okay? You have to understand how systems work. They work, and they work every day. They work every week. They work every second. Amazon has a system. When I sell on Amazon, no one calls me and say, oh, should I get this product, or is this product working? No, all they do is go on Amazon.com, search for their product, and land in my store, and they buy. I get an email that says, Jane Doe from California just bought some weights from you. And I say, oh, okay, great. Making money while driving my car. Making money while I'm going to Miami. Making money while I'm in the Bahamas. Making money while I'm cooking. Making money while me and my husband going on a date. This is how you get this thing done. And this is why I'm powerful. I go and give, and then I'm able to live my passion. Because now I go and give free seminars. Now I go and give free seminars, guys, to people. And I turn light bulbs on, and people are like, yo, I got to do what this lady's doing. This lady's telling the truth. This lady's doing, what I want, or what I need to be doing. Right now I'm able to live my passion. And my passion is a paycheck. My passion turned into a paycheck now. Because now, while I'm making thousands of dollars online, I can now go offline and give free information and then make money offline too. Systems work, people do not. Systems work, people do not. So you can either learn how to set your system up so that your system can start to run on autopilot. I made like $3,000 before I woke up today. $3,000. People got to work fucking 60 hours a week. 60 hours a week, guys, to make that type of money. I made it in my sleep because of my system. See, it's a difference. So you can continue to trade hours for dollars or learn how to set a system up. It's only 97 once and 97 a month. Learn how to earn while you sleep. Because if not, you're going to work until... Should I say it? Should I say it? Learn how to earn while you sleep. If you never do, you're going to work until you die. You don't have to listen to me. Don't listen to me. Okay? But you're going to listen to your boss and Trump, who's fucking starving the shit out of people right now. I'd rather listen to somebody who's doing something. I'd rather listen to somebody who's really trying to help. I'd rather listen to somebody who's really winning. So go to paidliketanisha.com. Like I said, it's 97 once. Right? So you won't be saying, oh, how much is it, Tanisha? 97 once and 97 a month. Okay? 97 once and $97 a month. Paidliketanisha.com.